How to turn on or turn off physical keyboard sticky keys on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Then go down and tap on interaction and dexterity. Now scroll down to the bottom. Then tap on sticky keys. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And it says that when you press a modifier key like Shift, Ctrl or Alt, it will stay pressed so you can enter keyboard shortcuts one key at a time. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on or off. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.